Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way you can achieve this eye look. This is a usual black smoky eye with a bit of shimmer on the lid. Now the shimmer is completely optional. Let's get into today's video. To start off the eye look, we need to make sure that we have got a clean eye base, and I'm going to be using my favorite NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit. It is medium dark number 1. And I'm also going to use the Anisa Beauty Eye Prime brush. This is specifically meant for eye priming. For this tutorial, I'm using the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge eyeshadow palette. And for the first shade, we're going to tap into Grunge, which is more like a cream-based eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using the Colourpop E20 brush for this. Taking some product on the brush, we're going to gently tap that onto our eyelid. We want it to be concentrated closer to our lash line, just so that we have got majority of pigment deposit there. Do not worry at this moment if you're a bit out of place or it's getting a bit smudgy. It's totally fine. We're going in for a smoky eye look. Now comes a part where we're going to smudge it up a bit so that we don't have a very harsh black line close to our lash line. You can use your brush or you can use your fingers. Don't be too precise with how you're smudging it. Just make sure it doesn't go too far up onto the eyelid. And this is how it should look. We're going to be changing brushes over here, and I'm going in with the Nicki Joy Cosmetics E10 brush. This is a precision shader brush, and you can see how beautifully it is shaped. It is perfect to get pigment where you need. And now going in with the shade Renegade, which is a black matte eyeshadow, we're going to pat it on the cream. Basically, we're going to set the cream with a powder so that it doesn't move all day. As you can see, I'm depositing most of the pigment on the lash line and I'm avoiding going in too close into the inner corner. And now we're going to go in with the shade Fearless, which is a dark brown shade, and we're just going to use the same brush and apply this over the black shadow. You do not have to be very precise with this step either. Just make sure you're not going too high, because that's where we're going to blend out the lighter shadow. It's time to change our brushes again, and I'm going in with the Nicki Joy Cosmetics E02 Diffuse Blend Brush. This will basically help to diffuse your blending a bit more, and we're going in with the same shade Fearless, and we're going to apply this right above the previous shade. Take your time with this step because it's important that you blend out those lines. And it is sort of this step that will give the smokiness to your eyes. As you can see, I'm not going too high again with this color because we need to go with the last lighter shade to diffuse that into our skin. And this is how your eyes should look. Now going in with the light shade I was talking about, we are going to tap into Rise Up, and we're going to apply this right on top of the eye, just into the eye socket. Avoid going any higher. You want this shade to blend into your skin tone. Take your time with this one. Back in with the shade Fearless from our Huda Beauty palette, we are going to go in with the E10 brush from Nicki Joy Cosmetics, and this time we are going to focus on the lower lash line. You want to apply this color just from the edge of the eye going up to the center of the eye. This will give it the added smokiness. Now going in with the lighter shade Rise Up from the Huda Beauty palette, and with the E02 brush this time, we are going to blend that all out. We want the entire eye to look cohesive, and we do not want any harsh lines, so take time blending this all in. This step is optional, but I'm going in with the shade Rebel, and this is the shimmery shade that I was talking about earlier on in the video, and I'm just using my finger to tap it on the eyelid. Now we're going to curl our lashes, and I'm using the Lilly Lashes Eye Curler. Be careful with this step and anything that you do around the eye. And I'm going to go in now with the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil, and I'm just going to tightline the upper lash line. Take your time with this because it can be a bit irritating on the eyelids. And don't forget to apply it on the lower lash line. This is how your eyes should look before applying any mascara. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. This is one of my favorite ones, and I'm going to be applying it to my upper lash line first. You want to wiggle the wand so that it causes separation of the lashes, and it also deposits good amount of product. With this mascara, you will never experience any clumpiness and it will not weigh down your lashes. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Obviously, you can apply fake eyelashes if you want. But if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much. See ya.